In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share items in ClickUp. If you need to give someone access to a task, a doc, a list, a folder, or even an entire space, ClickUp makes the process pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to share directly with a specific person and then how to create a shareable link with the right permissions. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the item you want to share. This could be a single task if you only want someone to review one piece of work. Or it could be something broader like a list, folder, or space if they need access to a larger section of your workspace. Make sure you're on the exact item you want to share before moving on, because the access you grant will apply to that location. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing menu, where you'll manage who can access the item. In the field provided, type the person's name or email address. As you type, ClickUp will show matching results. Select the correct person from the list so you can assign access to the right account. This is especially helpful if there are several people with similar names in your workspace. Next, choose their permission level. This part matters because it controls what they'll be able to do once they open the item. Depending on the options available, you may want to give view-only access for simple review or more editing permissions if they need to collaborate. Take a moment here to choose the level that fits their role, so you're sharing securely and appropriately. After that, click Invite or Share to send the access. At this point, the selected person will be added, based on the permissions you chose. If you'd rather share with a link, or you want a quick way to send access through chat or email, turn on link sharing. Once link sharing is enabled, set the link permissions carefully. Just like with direct sharing, these permissions determine what anyone using the link can do, so it's a good idea to double check them before sending the link out. When everything looks right, click Copy Link. You can then paste that link wherever you need, whether that's in a message, a document, or another tool your team uses. And that's it. You've now shared your ClickUp item either directly with a person or by using a shareable link. Thanks for watching.